As dem resume plenary today for Edo State House of Assembly, the House received one letter from Edo State government where they ask for approval to borrow 100 billion naira from First Bank of Nigeria. Dem talk say the money go help contractors work on different infrastructure projects where they go on for the state. Majority Leader Honorable Jonathan Ibamawu talk say the government wants speed up development for the state. Say even though they don't budget for some things, the federal allocation where them they get never reach wetin dem plan. He say last month na just 67% they receive, say 2 months ago na 69% they receive. He beg the House make them approve the request so work fit move fast for all the construction them where they go on.
Mr. Speaker, my dear colleagues, we have all listened to the letter from Mr. Govunor, Distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo. Our governor is in haste to ensure that there is infrastructural development in Edo State. He has made some budgets, but the allocation coming to the state is not 100% according to the budget expectation of this government. Last month, for instance, it was 67%. The other upper month was 69%. Mr. Speaker, my dear colleagues, I said earlier, the government wants to ensure that all the projects supposed to be budgeted are completed and in time. So for that reason, Mr. Speaker, my dear colleagues, the government wants to see that this facility is granted to be able to mobilize contractors to site, continue what intended for Edo State as a whole. We are aware of the flying over the Raman Park. The State Executive Council has approved another one dancing at this one Joshua. There's intention to build or reconstruct the Okpebholo EDHA road. There's also an intention to carry out the Auchi Igara road. Mr. Speaker, got this to require funds, and Mr. Governor wants to see that the projects are carried out as specified in the budget. So, Mr. Speaker, I want to call on my colleagues to kindly join me to ensure that approval is given to this request so that Mr. Governor will have the authority to continue the good work he intends for the state.
Honorable Emakwa, the way they represent Esan Northeast one, talks say this kind of project where they happen now, nobody don't ever see them like this before. He talks to make everybody support the governor so that the project no go delay. He wants say if them no start work quick or get the money where them need, if it affects how fast them go finish and how much it go cost. He talks say the governor request now wise and correct one.
Infrastructural strides of distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo, Executive Governor of Edo State, is visible to the blind and where possible audible even to the deaf. All across the state in the 18 local government areas, landmark projects that will stand the test of time, legacy projects that will impact on generations to come are being embarked upon by the action-working governor of Edo State in a way and manner never seen before. As partners in progress with Mr. Governor, to ensure the timely delivery of these projects to the good people of Edo State for the betterment of all. In that case, Mr. Speaker, money becomes a paramount issue. And so that the projects do not suffer delay, because, Mr. Speaker, the danger of not doing these projects timelessly, not doing these projects on time, and not being able to access money to do them as at when due, what the state would suffer will be endless reviews by contractors of the cost of these projects. Because when projects are delayed, they often get subjected to reviews by contractors, and that will cost the state much more money. In that wise, Mr. Speaker, the request by His Excellency, Distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo, is wise, it's timely, it It is in the right spirit, and I urge all honorable members, partners in progress with His Excellency, to support the request that has been made this morning, so that a new Edo will not just be rising, but will rise and shine fully.
Honorable Osezo Ojezele tok say even though na the future generation go carry the burden of borrowing, if dem use the money do better things wey go benefit the people, e make sense. E tok say anybody wey really want make Edo better go support the governor plan.
I think there is no need for me to mention that activities taking place in Edo is enormous. Projects are coming up by leaps and bounds everywhere in Edo State, to the extent that a colleague and a member representing N100 constituency one affirmed that the way it is now is visible to the blind and audible to the deaf. I think that is the reality as he had just stated. Mr. Speaker, I always said in this chamber that in public finance, the burden of public borrowing is always on the future generation. But when it is borrowed for things that benefit that future generation, I think it's in the right direction. Mr. Speaker, this facility is tenuous, and it is necessary because I know the way things are presently. Everybody in Edo State who is desirous of progress will want it to continue. Mr. Speaker, even from the forecast of the International Monetary Fund at the beginning of this year, has foretold a situation where the economy, the gross domestic product of the economy will operate at 4.8%. That tells a lot that the economy is doing well.
The member wey dey represent Akoko Edo 2, Honorable Donald Okogbe, still show support for the infrastructure work wey the governor dey do. He mention say work dey go on for the state, and he highlight the construction of Auchi Ikpeshi Ibilo Road wey go help him people wella. Because of that, he talk say he supports the loan request 100%.
The governor in the infrastructural revolution that Edo State is presently witnessing. But again, you drive from Benin to Epuma, you see the work that is going on. You go around the nooks and crannies of Edo State, up to Ikakumo, you see road projects that are going on. We want all those projects completed. But again, we must fund the projects. And in spite of the ambitious projects that Mr. Governor has embarked on, including the flyover in Okpebholo local government, and the other one to come up around Sapele Road, Edo people are asking for more. In my local government, for instance, we are asking for more, and I'm excited that the majority leader mentioned the Auchi Igara Ibilo Road, which is part of those projects to be funded by this credit line. Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, that road is very important to us in Akoko Edo. It has a supernova effect for the economy of my people. On this basis, and the earlier opinion by my colleagues, I want to align fully with the reasons given by Mr. Governor for this application. I therefore urge all honorable members to support and approve the request from Mr. Governor.
Other lawmakers still chook mouth to show say them support the governor and the loan request. The Speaker of the House, Right Honorable Blessing Agbewaku, still supports the matter. He talks say even him constituency go benefit from the project where they come from the loan. The House come later approve the loan.
Yes, no state or country that cannot pass without taking a facility. Because I also have projects in my area that need to be done. I have been working with Sada, Umura, Sabida, Abuja Road, which is the last name, the federal road. people can sit down, there's going to be construction and we capture in our budget, that will be captured. Then we have the December, which is also a passive, and which the governor has also said we will also fix. Then we also have IDC, Okpebholo Road. It's also there for construction. And we have Sabula Road. So if this facility is available, and I will enjoy from this money, my home will enjoy from this money, yes. Why would I support? I support 100%. On that note, distinguished members and agreements that this facility of the 100 million should be passed and endorsed by this house. We say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. The facility is hereby passed by this house on this day, the 24th of June 2025.
The House still adopt some reports and recommendations for the bill wey go establish St. Matthew's Royal College of Nursing, Science and Technology for N100. Dem look the bill one part after another and come pass am into law and send am go give the governor make e sign. The House come adjourn their sitting go Wednesday 25th of June 2025 for 10 a.m. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifeme Onosimo, TMC News.